Red Bull is everywhere, on Formula One cars, extreme athletes, and every store shelf in the world. But here is the secret. Red Bull does not make its own drinks. They don't own a single factory. So, what are they actually selling? In 1982, a toothpaste salesman named Dietrich Mateschitz discovered a tonic in Thailand called Krating Dang. He didn't just bring the drink to the West, he reinvented the concept of a business. Most companies obsess over manufacturing, but Red Bull realized that the person who owns the attention owns the market. They outsourced the production to a company called Rauch, freeing up 100% of their energy for marketing. They don't run ads. They create the news. From owning 2 Formula One teams to breaking world records, Red Bull is a marketing empire that happens to sell a drink on the side. They proved that in the 21st century, you don't need a factory to build a $20 billion empire, you just need a story worth telling. Subscribe to join us at Capital Chronos as we uncover the secrets of the world's most powerful brands.